'Cause I wanna wrap you up, wanna kiss your lips, I wanna make you feel wanted, I wanna call you mine, wanna hold your hand forever, never let you forget it, baby, I wanna make you feel wanted. Hey everyone, Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to teach you guys how to play Wanted by Hunter Hayes. It's a little bit of an older one, and it's a really good one. So, thanks for watching. And please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future. If you have not already, hit subscribe. And you can hit like as many times as you want. I love that. So thank you so much. All right, let's get into it. Standard tuning, capo on the 5th fret. There is a lot of different ways to play this. I'm trying to show you guys the very beginner way to play this, okay? So here's what you're going to do. You're going to use, for the most of the song, you're going to use C add 9, and then you're going to use G. All right, you're going to use D, and then you're going to use E minor 7. Okay, so the two chords you may not know, C add 9 is like this. So you do put your middle finger, okay, on the 3rd fret in relation to the capo. So middle finger, 3rd fret on the A string, okay. Then you're going to put your pointer finger, okay, next to it. You're going to put it on the 2nd fret on the D string, okay, just like that. And then you're going to put your ring finger, okay, down here on the 3rd fret, all right, on the B string, okay. That's how it sounds there, okay. Then E minor 7 is super easy because you're going to put your pointer finger just on the 2nd fret on the A string, and that's it, okay. So it's very similar to E minor, but it's just with one finger there, okay. You can do pointer or whatever finger you want there. Okay, so those are the chords you're going to use for most of the song. Where there's also going to be an A minor and stuff in the bridge, and a C. I'll show you those in a little bit though. So let's get started on the song. So I'm going to show you how to pick the intro, a way that you can do it with the capo on and stuff. That's very simple. If you don't want to do it, you can just play the intro. Okay, you can just strum the chords. So if you want, you can just do C. So just down, 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 down. Okay. So when you're playing the verses, if you want, you can actually leave your ring finger on the 3rd fret the whole time, just for the verses. Okay, it doesn't sound as good in the chorus, but you can do that because it just makes sense with the chords. You can even leave it on there when you do the E minor 7, if you need to go back. If you don't need to, if it's not hard for you to switch, I wouldn't do it. But so you can go C add 9, it's just down, 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 down. Okay, see that how easy that is? Down, 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 down. You do that twice. You do C add 9, G, D, E minor 7 twice. That's the intro, and then you start singing. Okay. You can palm mute, but I think on this one it's probably just best if you just play it like softly. Okay. So you go, you know. All right. So that's where you go into the verses. Now to pick the intro, if you want, just with your fingers, is very easy. Okay. So you'll just do C add 9. You'll just do the same chords, but you're gonna pluck with your thumb. Okay. The bass note. So you're gonna pluck the A string first. And then you're going to do the G, B, G string. So A, G, B, G. Okay, then you go to the G chord, and then you do E, G, B, G. Okay, just like that. You see that? And then you go to D, but you're still going to pluck. Then you're going to pluck the A string, A, G, B, G. And then this part you would keep is the only time you have to keep it. So like that is where you want to keep it. Otherwise, it'll sound weird. Okay, so then you're going to do the A string again, A, G, B, G. Okay, so one time, you would play that twice. You can actually play that for the verses if you want. You know I'd fall apart without you. Okay, just like that. You don't have to, so you'll just do C add 9, so you'll do, the chords are still the same, C add 9, G, D, E minor 7, but you'll do A string, G, B, G, E string, G, B, G, A string, G, B, G, A string, G, B, G. Okay, just like that. You know I'd fall apart without you. I don't know how you do what you do. See how easy that is? So you can do that. You can actually play that for the whole first verse and the intro if you want, but you don't have to, okay? So that's just if you want to. Now I'm going to show you guys how to play. I like playing it better with a pick, but I'm going to show you how to play this part, the rest of the song, okay? So let's walk you through the first verse. You're going to use that same chord progression that you did in the intro for the first and the second verse, okay? And then for the chorus, it's very similar. It's not exactly the same, but it's similar, okay? So you're going to do, so C add 9 on you. You know I'd fall is G, fall apart without is D, out you. Okay, U is E minor 7. Then you go to C add 9 before you say I. I don't know how you do. Do is G, do what you do. D, do it, D is do. Okay, then you go to C add 9 again. Cause everything that don't is G, don't make sense about is D, about me. Alright, me is E minor 7, about is D, about me. Makes sense when I'm, so you do C add 9 before you say makes sense when I'm is G, when I'm with you. Okay, D is right after U. E minor 7. Okay. Okay, then you do C add 9 right before like everything that's green. Green is G, so that's easy. Green girl, I need is D. Need you. Alright, and then you're gonna go, but it's more than one. So C add 9 is on but it's more than one. One is G. One and one makes is D, makes two. Two is E minor 7. C add 9. Right before put aside the math is G. Math and the logic is D. Logic of it. Okay, of it is E minor 7. Of it. C add 9 is before you. You gotta know you want is G. Want it. After it, you do D. 2. Okay, then you do E minor 7. Okay, so now the chord progression is going to change slightly. Okay, so you're going to now do E minor 7. So you're going to do, 'cause I wanna rap. Rap is E minor 7. So you're going to E minor 7, D, C add 9, G. Okay, so you're going to do, 'cause I wanna rap you up, wanna kiss your lips. I wanna make you feel wanted. I wanna call you mine. Wanna hold your hand forever. Never let you forget it. Okay, so you see how easy that is? So that strumming, you can just do that the whole time if you're like super new beginner. You can also throw a lot of things in there too if you want. So you're gonna go, 'cause I wanna rap you. So you could just do down, 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 up, 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 down. So you could do that, like pretty much the whole chorus. Actually, probably I think the whole chorus. So you could do that. So down, 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 up, down, down, down. Sorry, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so you could do that. There's lots of other things you can throw in there, but that's a little bit more, like it changes it up if you're like getting, like depending on how advanced you are, you can do that one too. The way that I'll play it sometimes is I'll throw in like a lot of additional, like, 'cause I wanna wrap you up. So I see so far it's the same. Up, wanna kiss your lips. I wanna make you feel wanted. So you're down, 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 up, down, up, down. So you like down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. So stuff like that, and going C add 9 to G. You can do that. You don't have to. You can just do those two ones I show you first. Either of those will work fine. Okay. And they'll sound great for it. So that's how you're going to play the chorus. You're just going to do E minor 7, D, C add 9, G, over and over throughout the chorus. Okay. Now, second verse is the same as the first. Then the second chorus is the same. Now the bridge is different. You're going to do A minor. As good as you make me feel. Then G. I wanna make you feel better. So then you're doing A minor, G, C. And you're gonna do that. You're gonna do A minor, G, C twice, okay? Then you're gonna do D, G, D, C. All right, so I'm gonna walk you through it. So you do A minor before you start playing, before you start singing. As good as you make me feel. So you're just doing down, but you're gonna be louder here, okay? Because this whole part's louder. As good as you make me feel. So it's then down, up, down, G. I wanna make you feel better. Better is C. Better. I messed the vocals up on that, but that's how you play it. Better. Better is A minor. Better than your fairy tales. Then you go to G. Better than your best dreams. Then C, okay? You're more than everything I need. Okay, need is D. Need. You're all I ever want. Okay, wanted is G. Wanted. So for the other part, you're doing that down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, so you're doing down, down, down. You don't have to do the down, up, down in between. I just think it sounds better. But then when you go to the D, after D, you're gonna go, you're all I ever want. You're just doing single strums from here for the rest of the bridge. You're all I ever wanted. So wanted is G. All I ever want. So the second wanted, you're doing, starting with the D. Wanted. So for one is D, Ted is C. Ted. Cause I just wanna rap. Okay, then you're gonna go, and you're gonna go back into the song. That's how you play the whole thing, all right? Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been a lot of fun learning and teaching this one to you guys, and I'll see you next time.